Good morning guys. Good morning. Snowstorm na naman dito sa amin guys. Nagsimula ito midnight. So yan na ang snow as of this time. And ako sa sasakyan kasi may work ako today. Buti na lang si Habis hindi nag-work. Pag ganito kasi, alam na niya hindi siya mag-work pag ganito. Sobrang hindi pa nga na melt yung snow last time eh. Oh my god. Ayaw mag-open. May kukunin ako dito. Kunin ko ang ito. Gamit ko sa van. Ang gagamitin namin is yung pick up. Ayan. See, lalo pa tong lumalakas. And they said it's 10 inches snow. Sila si Fiona walang klase today. Okay? Dahil sa snow. Mag-ano muna ako sa sasakyan guys. Maghanda. Work na tayo guys. And it's snowstorm. Whew.
On this road, you can't have no vehicles parked on the street.
Yeah.
It's a snow road.
Snow road. Hindi ako late guys. Nandito na ako sa work. Coming out now guys. And it's still snowing. Look at that. Oh, it's still snowing. Tara kong sundo. Tara kong sundo. Nabot na kong sundo, guys. Why is that there's someone in here? Ooh, how long is this? Oh my god.
Oh, that's your fault for recording things.
Huh?
So that's your fault for recording things. You get pictures. Kind of, you have a relationship. You really do.
Dami stepper jack guys. Ang order of there. Waiting for order. Our food is ready na daw. Hubby is waiting there. Here's our food guys. So we ordered food at the Pepper Jacks. We ordered rice bowl for me and Fiona and rice bowl for Steps, and my husband is power bowl which is with no rice. And right now nandito kami sa bahay ng anak ng asawa ko to get the Xbox kay magduwa mi ang amuha kay naguba man, so nang huwa mi siya ilaha nga wala gigamit. Kabuotan sa kong hobby eh. Na nag-scope sa snow sa iyang baka. So as of this moment guys, it's still snowing. It's still snowing. And according to the weather report, it will extend it until tomorrow morning. So good thing tomorrow I don't have work tomorrow. It's my day off, and I don't know yet if Fiona have class tomorrow. So today they don't have class, so I didn't receive any messages from the school yet. And yeah, hopefully they don't have class. This is our food, guys, from Pepper Jack's. Rice bowl, steak, rice bowl,
Protein bowl.
protein bowl, yeah, without rice.